Hey there. In this video, we'll be going over how AI can help you communicate as an HR professional, and it'll be generate a number of different message templates, whether that be email or just over Slack, Microsoft Teams, whatever messaging programs you use to help you write those messages faster so you can get them out to your team, and that way it can save you a ton of time. So let's go ahead and dive into a tool called ChatGPT, which is an AI tool that can help you generate these templates faster and also personalize them for you. So that way you can ensure that you're getting templates that make sense for your use case. So here we are in ChatGPT, and this is a free tool that you can go ahead and access. You just go to Google, type in ChatGPT, and it'll pull up. And the first template that we want to create is around a PTO policy. So let's say you're looking to announce a new PTO policy to employees at the company. You can go ahead and ask ChatGPT to personalize the email template for you. So ask ChatGPT to do just that. Create an email template announcing a new PTO policy coming from HR to employees, and we can personalize it a little bit more to engineering employees. And start there and see what it gives us. And sometimes it takes about 5 to 15 seconds for ChatGPT to respond, and sometimes it responds right away. Now, sure, you could go to Google and get templates from Google, but what I have found is that ChatGPT will personalize it to your situation, actual company as well. So if you plug in your company URL, it'll analyze that URL and say, okay, let's personalize this based on what we have found out about your company and maybe the department that you want to send this email message out to, as well as other situational factors that you can think of. Okay, now that we have this PTO policy that we have a template for, let's go ahead and check out some other templates because we have quite a few to go through. But make sure to go ahead, check this out on your own and personalize it for your situation if you want to play around with this AI tool. So the next one that we're doing is announcing a new flexible benefits program, and create an email from HR announcing a new flexible benefits program for full-time workers. Now let's see what this gives us. So as you can see, it went ahead and generated a template pretty quickly for us. And these templates sound great. And what I love about these templates really helps me brainstorm when trying to come up with new ideas or ideas I should be coming up with. And for whatever reason, I just forgot to include. AI can really help provide a lot of information and good foundation for writing out these templates. Now, it's important not to rely purely on AI. You always want to go ahead and verify and make sure that you're covering all your bases. Now let's go ahead and dive into the next template. So create an email from HR announcing a new training program for technical writers to learn, let's say, API documentation. So making it a bit more specific. And it even goes over what will be included in the training, which is pretty incredible to see. And as someone who's familiar with documentation and API documentation, this is correct. So it is providing correct information. It's awesome that it's doing that. It's not always the case, though. Again, you want to go ahead and verify. And now that we have this template for us, let's go ahead and check out another one. So say create an employee feedback template to provide feedback to engineering managers. I really love how it's able to break it down. When providing feedback, it's important to look at the person's knowledge, skills, and abilities, and also have a matrix set up where you know where you need to be providing them feedback and their previous ratings on different areas. All that is important if you really are taking feedback into consideration. So this is really just a light template here that you can use if you don't have time to do all those things. And oftentimes we are providing many different people feedback throughout the day, and we do need to quickly create something that we can send them, but also making sure that we're not offending their feelings, that we're saying something that's also empowering to them instead. We can use AI to help us do that. And we can actually ask AI to create a template that empowers this employee, that makes them feel like they are more engaged with the organization and that we are looking out for their best interests. So all those things can go into the prompt. The more specific prompt that we create, the more specific result we'll get. Now let's take a look at some of the last templates that we're going to go ahead and check out for today. For a new, let's say, engineering employee, create an onboarding template for HR to use for a new engineering employee. Yeah, I really love how it covers all the bases that we need here. It's even going to separate it down by weeks. That's pretty incredible to see. And that way we can have a bit of a foundation to work with. And when it comes to setting different milestones, different things that need to be accomplished in order for this new engineering employee to be onboarded effectively and for them to know everything so they feel like we have a transparent relationship and they could take action and get running right away. Okay, and the last thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna check out one more template. And then you should be ready to rock and roll with all the different types of templates that you can create and have a good idea of how you can do just that using AI. Employee for Google. And we could even be specific for new engineering, for a new Python developer employee for Google. And let's see what it comes up with. Yeah, I really love how it's able to outline this template so quickly and touch upon pretty much all the important points of a job offer template. It's something that you may be using many different times. And also, if you want to go ahead and use other similar templates, there's ones like job promotion templates and the many more templates that HR uses. Because as you know, we're in constant communication with team members and getting them to understand more about their position and ensuring that they stay with the company and feel good about the company. That way, everybody's working towards the company's success. And there we have it. We just went over how AI can help you with your communication as an HR professional and how AI can generate hundreds of different types of templates, not thousands of different templates, depending on your needs for HR, and take your HR professional skills to the next level by making your workflow more efficient and also having a tool to rely on when it comes to brainstorming and understanding more about what goes into HR. And if you feel like you have a better understanding of how to use AI for your HR professional communication, then make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And that way you don't miss any of our future videos on tips and tricks on how to become a great HR professional. And I'll go ahead and see you on those videos as well. Cheers.